are the bright mind champions. Hip hip hooray, 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 hip hip hooray. God give us good attitude. We thank you with gratitude. We are the powerful champions. We are the bright mind champions. Hip hip hooray, 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 hip hip hooray. Knowledge is our real passion. Success is our destination. We are the proudful champions. We are the bright mind champions. Hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray. We are the bright mind kids. We are the happy kids. We are the joyful kids. We are the bright mind kids.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's begin our function by thanking our Almighty. Let's all stand for invocation. Tamil Thai Varthu. Thank you all. Kindly take back your seats. Next, we move on to, if there are no stars, there won't be any beauty in the sky. If there are no difference of opinion, there won't be any creative and innovative ideas. Similarly, if there is no annual function in our school, there won't be any chance for our young and dynamic children to upload the pride of our school, to catalog the challenges we face, the endeavors we made, the success we achieved, and to show what we were and what we are and what we will be. Here we are much privileged to stand before you all to extend profound wishes and greetings from the bottom of my heart, to bring the warmth of our affection through the stream of love, to welcome each and every one of you. On behalf of BMKA management, facilitators, students and family, it's our immense pleasure to welcome you all to our 8th annual Cultural Fest SAR and Kid Cosmos 2024-25. This year we have chosen a bright and captivating theme that celebrates the beauty and diversity of our world. Vibe on Colors. Vibe on Colors is more than just a theme. It's an invitation to immerse ourselves in the kaleidoscope of colors that surrounds us. It's a celebration of the diverse hues that make our world a more fascinating and a wondrous place. A warm greeting to all the dignitaries on and off the stage, and our dear parents community, facilitators, well-wishers, colleagues, and system concerned supporters for joining us today. I hope you all are going to appreciate them as well as the teachers who had molded them and put a lot of effort. Once again, I welcome you all. Next, we move on to, like no person was ever honored for what he received. Honored has been the reward for what he gave. Ladies and gentlemen, it's our pleasure to welcome our esteemed guest of honor. Please join me in giving them a warm and hearty welcome. Let's put your hands together. And now our Tiny Tots will present our dignitaries with a beautiful handmade, colorful bouquet crafted with love by our facilitator. And this bouquet is a symbol of facilitator's creativity and affection. Let's appreciate their efforts. I request all the parents to welcome our dignitaries. Now I heartily welcome our Honorable Chairperson, Mr. W.R. Mahendra Varman, sir. We welcome you, sir. Here comes our kids to welcome Mr. S. Yuvraj, Finance Director of TOPS, and Mrs. Vinodini ma'am, Correspondent of TOPS. Parents, please welcome our chief guests and our dignitaries. We welcome you, sir, and we welcome you, ma'am. Now I heartily welcome Mr. W.M. Kamalraghavan, sir, our Director of BMKA and TOPS, and Mrs. Durga Neenalokshini, ma'am, Correspondent of BMKA. We welcome you, sir, and we welcome you, ma'am. And let's give a warm welcome to Mr. W.M. Nirmal Raghavan, sir, Correspondent of BME, and Mrs. Nandini Nirmal, ma'am, Academic Director of BME. We welcome you, sir, and we welcome you, ma'am. We are happy to have you, sir and ma'am. Thank you all for joining us today in our Pinnacle celebration. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. You may kindly take back your seats. Next, we move on to light is a symbol of brightness, prosperity, and happiness. Lighting is a lamp is awakening the glow of the soul within oneself. To make this event to be filled with a divine aura, invite our beloved principal, Mrs. Shubhashini, ma'am. Please welcome, ma'am, to kindle the lamp. I request Mrs. Vinodini Yuvraj, ma'am, to come forward. And I request Mrs. Nandini Nirmal, ma'am, to come forward. And I welcome our correspondent, Mrs. Durga, ma'am, to the dais.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः 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 शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः.
Thanks to all the dignitaries, kindly take back your seats. Hospitality is unarguably one of the defining qualities of our Bright Men Kids Academy. Let us welcome Ms. Fatima to address the gathering.
Behind every legacy lies millions of hearts with burning passion and soulful dedication. Good evening, everyone, esteemed guests, respected faculty, dear student, family, well-wishers, and supporters. It is my immense pleasure to welcome you all to our 8th Annual Cultural Fest, Sarang Kids Cosmo 2024-25. We gather to celebrate not just diverse talent and also rich culture that exists within our community, the spirit of unity and creativity that bind us all together. As we embark on this vibrant journey of joyful expression, let us take a moment to acknowledge the hard work and dedication of our students who have poured their heart into preparing for this event. Their passion and commitments are what make this fest truly special one. The theme, Vibrant Colors. We will entertain you through music, dance, art, and explore the beauty, tapestry of talent that enrich our lives and broaden our perspectives. I encourage everyone to embrace the performance and exhibit with open heart and mind. Participate, cheer, and engage with one another. Let's create an atmosphere of joy and fellowship. I would also like to extend my gratitude to the organization committee, faculty members, and volunteers who have worked tirelessly behind the scene to bring this event to grand success. Your efforts are truly commendable. As we kick off the festivity, let's celebrate not only our individual talent, but also the collective spirit that make our community so unique. Together, let's make this year Cultural Fest an unforgettable experience. Thank you, and let the festivity begin.
Thank you, Ms. Fatima ma'am, for welcoming all the dignitaries in your lovely tone. Next, we move on to a smile is a universal welcome. We are delighted to offer a cute welcome speech by our tiny tots. Here comes baby Hevantika and Master Ishan to welcome you all by their Maralai Muri.
Greetings to all. I am Hevantika from level 3, student at Bright Men Kids Academy. On behalf of BMK family, it's my pleasure to welcome you all 8th Annual Cultural Fest, Sarang Kids Cosmos 2024-25. Wow, what an amazing gathering we have here tonight. We honor to empowering management, Honorable Chairman, determined director, creative correspondent, and passionate principal. We also welcome our special guests, proactive parents, focus facilitators, and my dear friends. Thank you, BMK, for letting us be and shine like stars. Thank you the love and care you have given us. Now it's time for a mini event. My friend and I have very hard because I'm please spread the relax and dance. So not stop clapping and cheering for Lord and it is for makes your pressure. You're excited as I am. Please put your hands together and applaud. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, kiddos, for your fantabulous and interactive speech. Let's give a warm welcome to Mrs. Priya Rajesh, ma'am, Principal of TOPS and team. We welcome you, ma'am. We are happy to have Mr. Ramotri, sir, with us for our big day. We welcome you, sir. And I welcome Mrs. Lakshmi, ma'am, Principal of PMV. We welcome you, ma'am. Now I welcome Mr. Madhusudanan, sir, for our annual day. Thank you, sir. We welcome you, sir, and will welcome you, ma'am. Next. Dance is a rhythmic movement to music. Now I welcome Rotarian Mr. Ram Chandrabab sir to our annual day. We welcome you, sir. We heartily welcome Mr. Edil Maran sir to our annual day. We welcome you, sir. Next we move on to dance is a rhythmic movement to music accompanied by the spiritual gestures to evoke the God blessings on us. Here comes our team of spiritual dancers from SJS team to make their invocation performance to us to evoke the God's blessing on us in this fest. Let's put your hands together to welcome the team on the stage.
வா சுத்தி சுத்தி தீபம் காட்டி காப்பாய் நீயே விக்னேஷா ஊர் ஒன்றாகி உன்னை போற்ற காப்பாய் எங்கள் கணேஷா நாயகா வினா கொண்டாடும் நாளில் இங்கே தானாய் வந்தாய மோஷிகா உற்சாக மேளம் வாசிக்க கேட்டு ஆடுகிறோம் பாறையா வீதியோரம் கோயில் கொண்டாய் ஏழை மக்கள் தோழன் நீ ஒற்றையாளாய் ஆற்றின் ஓரம் மௌனம் கொண்ட பாலன் நீ மூன்று
కాలం నీదా గచ్చెందిరా ఏడు లోకం నీదా విఘ్నేశ్వర
మరి విఘ్నేశ సర్వం సత్యం నీదేవా
శంభుసుతాయ శంభుసుతాయ లంబోదరాయ మౌర్య దేవా
உண்மை உள்ளோர்க்கு நன்மை நீ காட்டு துக்கத்தை நீ போக்கு மகாராஜா
துக்கத்தை நீ போக்கு மகாராஜா
உலோக ராஜா ஊரெங்கும் பூஜா வங்காள கடலுக்கு வா ராஜா
வங்காள கடலுக்கு வா ராஜா
உண்டாகும் வளமே வாழ்வில் தானே உன்னாலே யாகும் ஆரையா என்னப்பனே உன்னை கைகூப்பினோமே போற்றும் நூதானையா
శంభుసుతాయ శంభుసుతాయ లంబోదరాయ మౌర్య
கணபதி கஜமுக கணபதி கிடுகிடு கிடுகிடு கிடுவென வந்தாய் சித்தத்தில் நீயே நின்றாய் வேட்டையாடு தீமை யாவும் அசுரர் அழிய சுப தருணம் இறங்கி வா அசுரர் அழிய சுப தருணம் இறங்கி வா அசுரர் அழிய சுப தருணம் இறங்கி வா துணுக்கிட்ட தடாங்கு தடாங்கு தகதிமிதா தடாங்கு தடாங்கு தகதிமிதா தடாங்கு தடாங்கு தகதிமிதா
Thank you, team, for your divine performance, for bringing the presence of Almighty among us. Now, I would like to call Mrs. Manju to take the dais for prize distribution ceremony.
Winning does not always mean being the best. Winning means you are doing better than you have done before. Every child is gifted and talented one. Our management wants to acknowledge their talents by presenting them with awards for their efforts. This is the time most of our parents have been waiting for. The participants was their best exhibiting spirit of competition and enthusiasm. It is a matter of great honor and pleasure to appreciate and award hard work as well as the performance of the students who have made us all proud. Let's move towards the much-awaited prize distribution ceremony. It is the time to acknowledge the brimming talents of our students. May I now call upon our Honorable Chairman, Mr. W.R. Mahendravarman Sir, and all our dignitaries to give away the trophies and certify their achievements. Once again, I welcome all the dignitaries to the stage. We are proud to announce the winner of prestigious Little Star Flare Hunt 2024-25 contest. These talented young ones individually have showcased their exceptional skills and talents, and we couldn't be proudest. Please join us to congratulate our winners as they receive their well-deserved certificates and trophies. Here comes our kids of Ruby A. Baby Veda Varshini, winner in Eternal Gaze, runner in Pitch Perfect. Congratulations, baby. Master Sashtik, winner in Pitch Perfect. Baby Sara Parveen, winner in Grooves on Moose. Baby Sia, runner in Grooves on Moose. Baby Kaushaini, runner in Eternal Gaze. Congratulations, babies. I would like to call upon all the participants of Level 1, Ruby A, to receive the certificates from our dignitaries. Baby Hanshita, Master Abdulazim, Master Anish, Master Frederick Xavier. Congratulations, babies. Here comes our kids of Ruby B. Master Arshiv, winner in Eternal Gaze, runner in Cruise on Moose. Baby Avisha, winner in Pitch Perfect. Baby Rema Felicita, winner in Cruise on Moose. Baby Adira, runner in Pitch Perfect. Master Charian, runner in Eternal Gaze. Congratulations. Now, I would like to call upon all the participants of Level 1, Ruby B, to receive their certificates from our dignitaries. Lakshit, Agarvin Krishna, Thiran, Kavin Karthik, Krish, Rashmika. Congratulations, babies. Here comes our kids of Ruby C. Baby Danshika, winner in Cruise on Moose and Eternal Gaze, runner in Pitch Perfect. Master Lakshan, winner in Pitch Perfect, runner in Cruise on Moose and Eternal Gaze. Congratulations. Now I would like to call upon all the participants of Level 1 Ruby B to receive the certificate from our dignitaries. Master Adan, Rudvik, Tarunika, Sanjana Sri Pandian. Congratulations. Here comes our kids of Emerald A. Master Sujay Aditya, winner in Pitch Perfect and Eternal Gaze. Baby Hanira, runner in Cruise on Move and Eternal Gaze. Master Kiansh, winner in Cruise on Moose. Baby Jashwita, winner in Kittens. Master Darshan Raj, runner in Pitch Perfect. Master Sai Kishore, runner in Kittens. Congratulations. Now I would like to call upon all the participants of Level 1 Emerald A to receive the certificates from our dignitaries. Disha, Pragadish, Dakshit, Durvan Gupta, Nitya Shivanya, Kritilaya, Ashvik, Shishant. Congratulations. Here comes our kids of Emerald B. Baby Ria Sai, winner in Pitch Perfect and Cruise on Moose. Master Mohammad Afan in winner in Eternal Gaze. Baby Tiloshini, winner in Kid Tales. Master Adav, runner in Pitch Perfect. Baby Samyukta, runner in Cruise on Moose. Master Livinesh, runner in Eternal Gaze. Baby Srinidhi Arushi, runner in Kid Tales. Congratulations. Now, I would like to call upon all the participants of Level 2, Emerald B, to receive the certificates from our dignitaries. Aryan, Duru Praveen, Mayvendan, Shreyas, Vihan, Pranav, Miturna Prahara, Duruva, Yogamitran, Manish. Ashwik. Congratulations. Here comes our kids of Opal A. Baby Heavantika, winner in Pitch Perfect and Cruise on Moose. Master Vishwak, winner in Eternal Gaze, runner in Kid Tales. Baby Akshita, runner in Pitch Perfect and Cruise on Moose. Baby Dityashri, winner in Kid Tales. Master Adesh, runner in Eternal Gaze.
Now I would like to call the participants of Level 1, Opal A, to receive the certificates from our dignitaries. Ashmita, Nipunjay, Krithvik, Sarvesh, Praveen. Congratulations. Here comes our kids of Opal B. Baby Kanshika, GS, winner in Cruise on Moose and Eternal Gaze. Baby Danila, winner in Kids Tale, runner in Cruise on Moose. Master Jashwant, runner in Pitch Perfect and Kids Tales. Master Mitran, winner in Pitch Perfect. Master Karthik Shiv, runner in Eternal Gaze. Congratulations.
Now, I would like to call upon all the participants of Level 3 Opal B to receive their certificates from our dignitaries. Harsha Mitra, Pavika Prakash, Lakshan, Jashvita Shri, Sai Tejas, Shrishtika Shri, Ashwant. Congratulations, babies. Here comes our kids of Opal C. Baby Sansuki, winner in Cruise on Moose, runner in Pitch Perfect. Baby Alfia, winner in Kid Tales, runner in Eternal Gaze. Master Jeevan, winner in Eternal Gaze, runner in Kid Tales. Baby Krishali, winner in Pitch Perfect. Master Mohammad Amdan, runner in Cruise on Moose. Congratulations, babies. Now I would like to call upon all the participants of Level 3 Opal C to receive their certificates. Baby Pooja Shri, Abhinesh, Ishan Mahadev, Litikesh, Vishrut, Kabilesh, Ramya Shri, Kanshika. Congratulations, babies. Today, we all felt very privileged and honor our achievements of our brilliant students who have made both the school and their parents proud. Next, we move on to appreciation for attendance. When students improve their attendance rates, they improve their academic prospects and change their graduating. I would like to call baby Hevantika from level 3 for her 100% attendance for this academic year 2024-25. Please put your hands together to congratulations to our baby Hevantika. With great pressure, I would like to invite our principal, Mrs. Subhashini, to join us on stage to steer the show forward.
Good evening to all. Teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character, caliber, and future of an individual. A true award for the noble one is the inspirational imprint they created in their child's life. Now, it's time to honor our influencers. We are cherished to announce awards to our facilitator category to identify their individual talents and their team collaboration skills for the upliftment of organizational growth and development. Here are the categories to your notice: Individual Challenge Awards, Team Excellence Awards. Individual Challenge Award. Material Mastery Challenge was conducted in the month of September. This challenge showcased our teachers' expertise and creativity in delivering high quality results in the following challenges. First, new content in new approach. The individual created a systematic approach in facing new problem with positive mindset. Second, old content is known approach. The individual reached precision by delivering the content and reached results in minimum time. Third, team winner approach. The individual collaborated with their team to reach the goal with their high performance. Here comes the winners of the individual challenge category members are Ms. Kalaichelvi ma'am for playgroup category, Ms. Uma Mageshwari for pre-KG category, for Ms. Tamilchelvi for LKG category, Ms. Manju for UKG category. Let's put our hands together to the champs of the year 24-25. Hearty congratulations to all the individual challenge category awardees. Next we move on to Team Excellence Award. This award is dedicated to the awardees who have consistently raised the bar and propel our organization forward through their combined dedication, innovative problem-solving skills, and collaborative spirit that made a significant impact on our successful school years. The Team Excellence Award category include Collaborative Team Impact, Synergy Team Squads, Team Collaborative Champs. The Collective Team Impact Award is proudly presented to Ms. Sangeeta, Ms. Shabana, and Ms. Ashwini for their team's remarkable accomplishment and demonstration of a positive spirit in the teamwork. Wishing you continued years of success and excellence. I request everyone to give them a big round of applause. Congratulations, team. Synergy Team Squads award is proudly presented to Ms. Sashmita, Ms. Fatima and Ms. Srimati for their outstanding interaction and cooperation between team members and showcasing a remarkable synergy among the team. Let's show our appreciation for their cooperation with their loud claps. Congratulations, team. Next, move on to Team Collaboration Champs. Award goes to Mr. Naveen Kumar, Ms. Pujita for their exceptional teamwork and collaboration, outstanding communication, trust and mutual respect. Please put your hands together for their outstanding winners. Congratulations, team. And once again, hearty congratulations to all the winners who worked very hard to foster care the superstars of tomorrow and who were driven hard by teaching, passion to set an inspiring imprint in their kids' life. Now, the stage is over to Ms. Srimati ma'am.
It's now our privilege to acknowledge and honor our leader who had guided us to excellence. To our beloved principal, Mrs. Subhashini, we express our deepest gratitude for your understanding leadership and efforts in shaping everyone. Your leadership quality, educational expertise and contribution to the field of education have been instrumental in our school success. Please join me in applauding and thanking our principal, Mrs. Subhashini, for your selfless dedication, passion for excellence in education. Over to Manju ma'am.
Punctuality shows that value and respect others' time. As we celebrate the creativity and talent of our students, we also acknowledge the dedication and support of our parents. Without their tireless efforts, gathering 120 students and getting them ready on time wouldn't have been possible. Your punctuality has made this event a success. It's a pleasure to introduce the Proud Parent Punctuality Award winners, recognizing the parents who arrive first to the show their support. Please join us in congratulating our first winning parent of baby, Janavi, Level 3 parents. Now I would like to call Janavi parents to the stage. Janavi parent.
This award எதுக்காக நம்ம கொடுக்குறோம்னா parents actually ஒரு 120 students we have like அந்த 120 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸும் ஆன் டைம் இங்கே கொண்டு வந்து ரீச் பண்ணி ஃபஸ்ட்டு நம்மளோட ப்ரோக்ராம்க்கு காமிச்சது வந்து ஜானவியோட பேரண்ட் தான். ஸோ வி ஆர் ஜஸ்ட் கிவிங் தெம் வித் த அவார்ட். ஸோ ஐ ரியலி கங்க்ராச்சுலேட்.
இந்த அவார்டு எதுக்காக கொடுக்குறோன்னா 120 பேரண்ட்ஸ் இருக்காங்க, 5:30க்கு ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலான்னு சொல்கிறோம். நம்ம 6 o'clock ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணோன்னா அதுக்கு ரீசன் வந்து கொஞ்சம் பேரண்ட்ஸ் லேட்டாக வந்தனால, கொஞ்சம் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் லேட்டாக வந்தனால இவங்க 5:30ன்னு சொன்னோன்னா 5 o'clockலாம் இங்கே வந்து 5க்கு முன்னாடியே வந்து ஃபஸ்ட்டு பேரண்ட்டாக வந்தனால இவங்களுக்கு இந்த அவார்ட். தேங்க்யூ.
Now, please join us in welcoming the first winning grandparent of baby, Diya Shri from Playgroup. Diya Shri grandparent of Diya Shri, please come to the stage. Baby Diya Shri, grandparent, please come to the stage. Congratulations, sir.
I request all the dignitaries to take back your seats.
Now, I would like